Summer is here and so are the pests that it brings. In this video, we'll give you the ultimate guide to summer pest control. We'll focus on managing mosquitoes, flies, and ticks, which are some of the most common types of summer pests. Mosquitoes are one of the most annoying and potentially dangerous pests of summer. In this section, we'll show you how to manage them. Start by eliminating any standing water where they breed. Use mosquito repellent on your skin and clothing, and install screens on windows and doors to keep them out of your home. Flies are another common summer pest that can be aggravating and even carry diseases. To manage them, keep your outdoor eating areas clean, use a fly swatter or trap, and make sure your trash cans are tightly sealed. Ticks can be the most dangerous of summer pests since they can carry serious diseases like Lyme disease. To manage them, avoid walking through tall grass or wooded areas, use tick repellent on your skin and clothing, and check yourself and your pets for ticks after spending time outdoors. By following these tips, you can manage and even prevent summer pests like mosquitoes, flies, and ticks. Enjoy your summer outdoors without the annoyance and danger these pests can bring.